In this diagram, STU is an isosceles triangle where ST is congruent to UT, which it already has marked for us right there. The paragraph proof shows that angle S is congruent to angle U. So we have this proof down here, and we need to fill in the last step. All right, so let's go ahead and read. Anytime you're filling in a section of the proof, you need to read everything that's above it. So in this case, everything's above it. So it says it is given that ST is congruent to UT. Draw TV such that V is on SU and TV bisects angle T. So we're drawing an angle bisector. That's terrible. Let me get the line tool. We're drawing a line that bisects angle T and ends up like that. All right. And then it says angle STV is congruent to UTV. So STV is congruent to UTV. And that's because of the definition of an angle bisector. We bisected angle T, so it split it into two equal pieces. And then by the reflexive property of congruence, we know that TV is congruent to itself, to TV. And then triangle STV is congruent to triangle UTV by side, angle, side. We have a side, then an angle, then a side on each triangle. So we know they're congruent. So then we can say that angle S is congruent to angle U because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And that's what this stands for. So let me type that out so that you know what it means. That usually gets abbreviated, so you do need to know what it stands for. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And that's it.